All right, here we are for our reading for May 1st, and we're going to read the passage and Into Bullying, look at some comprehension, and then do a little vocabulary practice, and then you have a short answer question as well. So let's read this and Into Bullying. Did you know the month of October is Bully Prevention Month? You can join hundreds of schools from all over in events that educate kids about the harmful effects of bullying. Spreading the message can be simple but powerful. Here are some ways. Sit with someone who appears all alone at school. Create anti-bullying signs and display them. Pass out positive message on sticky notes. Gather a team of students and teachers to think of ways to prevent students from feeling isolated or alone. A lot of these, when I think about them, we can think of like bucket fillers that we've talked about before. How can we be a bucket filler instead of a bucket dipper? So let's look at our questions. What is the passage mostly about? Okay, that could be the topic. What is the topic of the passage? 2, when is Bully Prevention Month? 3, name one way you can help in bullying. So it can be one of the ways up there, or it can be something else that you think of on your own. And what message can be spread in October? Can kind of think about that as the theme of this. What did this passage try to teach you about what we can talk about, not just in October, but all the time? So then let's look at our vocabulary. So we're going to look at synonyms and antonyms again. Remember, synonyms mean same, and antonyms are the opposite, or mostly the opposite. Okay, so the first one is harmful. What is another word or another meaning for harmful up here? It means about the same thing. As I look through there, I see the word dangerous. That means harmful. If something is dangerous to you, it will give you harm. Okay, so then you're going to find the opposite of this. What is the opposite of harmful and dangerous? Gather. Okay, so if I'm gathering up something, or if I go to my garden and I want to gather all of the potatoes, what would that mean? Okay, well, when I look at this, the opposite or the antonym for gather would be dispose. Because if I dispose something, like a garbage disposal, that means I'm getting rid of it. I'm not gathering it, okay? Simple. Okay, so let's do the same for simple. If something is simple, so if you have work to do and you think it is simple, you would probably also say that it is easy. Okay, so then you're going to put the antonym in for simple. Then you have a short answer question here. Have you or anyone you know ever been bullied? If so, how did you handle it? Okay, and you don't have to put names there, but have you ever been bullied, or someone that you know has been bullied? And if so, what did you do about it? Okay, so that's your short answer you're going to write about.